Hello YouTubers, GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair. Here working on a 2010 Honda Pilot with a 3.5 6-cylinder automatic all-wheel drive. And what we're going to be working on today, it is replacing the VVT solenoid. Okay, so the solenoid itself is okay. The problem it is the gaskets underneath, they're leaking. So they have two gaskets, one on the solenoid itself. There is a metal plate, and on the bottom has another a gasket or seal with a strainer. Okay, like a little filter. So we are going to replace those. This is a very easy procedure. So it's 3 bolts, the 10mm bolt. This one towards the back of the engine. It is the long one. The 2 on the front towards the radiator. They're 2 short ones, so it's easy. You have to remove those 2 connectors, and we are going to get this the expansion tank or the overflow tank. That's what it is on this vehicle. Out of the way so we can get a little bit more room to work on. Okay, so this vehicle actually the leak, it was going right, leaking on top of the alternator. It's right there, so I just replaced the alternator, but we gotta fix this before the oil damaged the new alternator. Alright, so let's get to it. So let's begin with this one. Switch hands. 2 out of the way. 10mm ratchet. Good. So now let's, before I forget, let's put some rack here on the bottom, so that way when it leaks some oil, it doesn't leak on top of the alternator. So that way we don't damage the new alternator. Alright, so the bolts are loose. So the one to the back. This is going to be 2 of these short ones. Okay, now here we're going to move this. Okay, pull towards the top. We are going to just slide it towards the back of the car. So as you can see, it comes out. Okay, that's the first part. So let's let me set it. Good. Now here it is the metal plate that I was talking about. And here it is the other gasket that we're going to remove. I'll pause the video. Alright then, so we are going to use right here, tip pick. So we're going to bring right here, we're going to lift this the seal. It's right here. Okay, so we got to clean that area now, and we are going to replace it. So that string is pretty, the filter or strainer is pretty clean, so it's a good thing. Tell us that the engine is healthy. A lot of time, if you find that you have a lot of build-up there, probably the customer neglect doing a regular maintenance and oil changes. So this is a good sign. Okay, so now already clean the surface. That's the new seal. That's the new plate. This plate comes with the 2 guides. So I'm going to put those guides over here. That's one. Oh my goodness. I can now install this one because of the gloves. There I go. 2. Now this only goes one way, so you cannot put it back, any other way. So this is gonna line up with those guys. So it's all there. All right, let's make sure it's clean. Nothing, no foreign material in it. So there. Now we're gonna open the new one. Here's the new part. So you can see there probably the part number. It's a Dorman. It's a good quality. It should be a good quality. And let's install this one. So again, so you guys going to come here underneath. You can move. And that's it. It's right there sitting where it needs to be. So some people can remove a bolt here, 10mm bolt, so you can have more room. Move the harness a little bit more. If you want to, you can. I personally don't need to, but that's about it. Now again, we have 3 new bolts. 2 short and 1 long. The long goes on the front. The other 2 go on the back. I'm going to move this connector to the side so it gives access to it. I'm going to relocate that rack. good. Nothing is in between. You should not. I'm gonna tighten it by hand. And in the description below, I will add the torque specification for this bolt. Okay, so I'm gonna put one over there. Two. And three. Alright guys, so I think this will do for this video, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as I can, and if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button, so that will help the algorithm for YouTube, help us out to become a little bit more popular on the channel, and hopefully we can help people like you to fix your own vehicle and save some money and keep you on the road. Again, this is GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair. Have a great day.